YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you with another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, the bell notification. We talking about some Toshi, we talking about some Bitcoin. Before we get into it, I just gotta let you guys know too, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. You gotta go out and do your own research at the end of the day. As you guys can see, the market is looking very, very volatile, which is just what we talked about. Coming in at 104.3 right now. Bitcoin starting to cool down, possibly break down. We talked about this rising wedge that was also forming on the total market cap chart, and you guys could see starting to see some sell off. Right, our fear greed index coming in at a 46 today, but I have a funny feeling it's going to be a little bit lower than that tomorrow if we do not start seeing recovery. We do know that generally going into the weekend, we'll see a sell off. It's very, very normal for us to see sell off going into the weekend. So that's kind of what I would be expecting in a situation like this. Of course, the prices are always going to be volatile, right? Especially going into the weekend. So again, I'm paying attention to that, and definitely feeling like we're going to continue to see some more sell off, more than likely. Trend possibly starting to break down off of some key levels and some key ranges right now, and has me a little bit concerned again to the fact that is Bitcoin starting to create a wedge, and starting to break down, right? If Bitcoin starts to create a wedge, the price could drop all the way down to 100K. If that happens, I think a lot more fear will come into the market. We talked about the fact also that we do probably need to see some more fear come into the market just based off of some of these charts and what we've seen in the past. We might see a retest of some of this orange. You guys could see we've constantly done this multiple times. So again, this is the most telling chart for me, this fear greed index. It just seems like, when we were up here, we were cooking a little too fast, and now that we're starting to break down, things are starting to normal out. You guys could see though some of that volatility is trickling down through the market, even through the top altcoins, but especially, of course, through the more highly volatile meme coins, with the smaller market caps, right? Let's, as a matter of fact, check out Toshi, our good buddy Toshi, because that's what you guys came for. You came to watch some Toshi, right? Let's see how Toshi's doing today. I really haven't checked on it much at all today. I've been kind of just moving and shaking it on the go, as you guys could see here, though. Maybe it's seen a little bit of green, right? Looks like it's up about 1% today, but again, is the market going to hold? Oh, look, it doesn't look like it's down, actually 0.5. So again, Toshi Coin coming up also on some key levels of support here. Can we hold these ranges, this 200 million range? Can we hold this, or again, does Toshi need to see some more sell off and another retest of some lower levels? Market looking pretty speculative right now, right? Toshi's still up 35% on the month, and on the year up 18%. Interesting. Are you bearish or bullish on Toshi Coin? I want to know. You guys could see steady stream of people that are buying and selling this thing today, and it's had its volatility in the past, right? And it's also had its breakouts in the past. Will it have another breakout? How soon will it have another breakout? In my opinion, it might be dependent on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is looking very undecided right now, right? Look, we got a rising wedge here, we got a shoulder head shoulder here. This is just looking really nasty, and it's looking like Bitcoin needs to see a test of some lower levels. Really, in a situation like this, it can go pretty low. Even if it touches 100K, it could definitely drop lower than that. But that's definitely the next level that I'd be paying attention to. And it's what I am looking at every day. I want to know, though, what you guys think. Are you bearish on this? Are you bullish on this? You could see right now the peanut gallery is pretty split. A lot of people still feeling bullish on the market, but some of these people not feeling as bullish. Some people thinking that, again, Bitcoin needs to see some correction. Why do people lose trust? Why is it dumping again? Well, because there's a lot going on, right? But at the same time, guys, we are going to continue to cover it. I appreciate all you guys that watched the video. And if you're not yet plugged into the Patreon, join us over on Patreon. I'll catch you next video. Peace.